I'm Dr. Shahin Banu from Sona College of Technology. I've done 12 courses, more than 12 courses in NPTEL. And really, it's a great opportunity for all the scholars and the faculty from various colleges. And we get benefit through this courses. More than 12 courses, and most of the courses we have done 12 weeks and 8-week courses we have done. Actually, it's like uh, PG subjects or UG course we are doing, and in that particular subject, we get full knowledge, and then we motivate to get study more courses in that related field. Really, very happy. Everyone should enroll and get new courses, and then they have to come for this privilege thing like the star events, and it's like a motivation really to all the teachers and students. And our college is best in this place, Sona College. So very happy, proud, very proud. Thank you so much.
Hi all, I am Dayashri. I am coming from Salem, Tamil Nadu, and I am working as assistant professor of English in Sona College of Technology. And as of now, I have completed 15 courses in NPTEL. I think it is very fantastic, and I have not reduced the till date. The enthusiasm has not reduced, and I'm exploring each and every new courses year by year, semester by sem. So it's a wonderful journey with NPTEL. So the first thing is I got my job due to NPTEL. It's my first victory. So they selected me because I have done an internship in IIT Roorkee due to NPTEL, and I became topper in 3 of the courses. So it has changed my life entirely. Even my friends will mock at me that what is the use of doing NPTEL courses, but today I'm standing as assistant professor because of NPTEL. Yes, sure, sir. So I became topper of Professor Binod Mishra sir's public speaking course. So through that, I got an offer during Corona period. I mean quarantine. So I got 2 times chances to do internship with him. So both in online mode, and through that I have learned what is research. I was totally blank on research. I did this research during my BA, so I came to know what is research and how it should be, and I felt like IIT teachers may be very rude to us because we are not that much came from a very good background. But he answered everything, even the silly doubts that I asked. So I really loved the way they approached me, and the internship also was very good. And to the students who are watching this, I suggest them to do NPTEL courses because information is available everywhere, but the authenticity of information is rare. I think NPTEL is doing justice for it. Thank you.
I am Dr. J. Priyadarshini from ISS Institute of Technology. From the Department of Mathematics, I am assistant professor. Basically, I have completed 20 NPTEL courses. Every semester, I have completed nearly 5 courses. Because of I love NPTEL courses, it changes my careers and personal development. Even though I am a mathematics professor, I did lot of courses in programming. I have I have earned lot of fundamentals in programming because of NPTEL. I thank NPTEL and IIT Madras. Yes, initially I start 1 or 2 courses from mathematics. After that, I am very much interested in programming languages. It helps me a very lot foundation in programming. That interest, I did a lot of courses in programming. And then not only programming, in faculty domain also I have completed a lot of courses. It helps me a lot of in personal as well as a professional career.
How excited?
I'm so happy. This is my third visit at IIT Madras. Yeah, I'm every time I'm eagerly waiting for this meet because of I meet lot of professors as well as lot of colleagues from other places. This gives me a lot of experience. That's a nice experience. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Dr. R. I. M. Burmal from Hindustan Institute of Management, Coimbatore. and I have done around 10 courses, and now here for NPTEL Domain Star. I'm happy that my journey just started with one course, then moved slowly for the past 3 years now to as a Domain Star. Thank you, NPTEL.